So everybody, I completely forgot to film this, but so October 1st was supposed to go a video where I talked about the members only giveaway on my YouTube channel. So if you're a paying member, you are eligible for this. If you're in the premium and basic tiers, this is what I'm giving away for the month of October. For those specific tiers, this is the Pentagon, this is the SOG Pentagon Elite 2. So I'm going to be giving this away September 1st-ish. So if you want to get in on the exclusive giveaways and things that I do for the paying members, I am also posting up an exclusive members only video today, and things like that. So exclusive content, exclusive giveaways. So like I said, if you want to get in on that, the membership tab is in the link down below. I'll be posting this up this morning. So yeah, I forgot to do it. So this is the October giveaway item. It is a SOG Pentagon Elite 2. This is a large folding knife. These things were kind of pricey. I think they were like 200, 210 if I remember correctly when they came out. Haven't seen one available for a while, but yeah. So there you go, guys. That's your October members giveaway announcement. I put it out for everyone in case somebody wants to join and get in on those like exclusive content, early access, and giveaways that I always talk about. So guys, oh, I'm still getting a hat. I've got to get a hat on order for the 6,000 subscriber giveaway. I'm going to give away one of these hats. I'll probably order that today, and then we'll do the announcement when it shows up. So because we're well past 6,000 subscribers now. All right, well, not well past. I mean, it's like almost but 6,044, something like that. So we passed it. At any rate, yeah, there you go, guys. Sorry, rough morning.